Hello everyone, welcome to StudyIQ English. Maharashtra is in the news in a very big way because Maharashtra has become the first state in India to sign up and to join hands with Starlink, the company owned by Elon Musk. The idea is to provide satellite-based internet services to the remote areas across the state, including the underserved remote areas, villages that are cut off because of geography or terrain. Yes, it is a big leap for India's digital future because this will improve internet access, online welfare schemes, education and medical facilities for so many people who are living in remote areas which still experience the digital divide, the digital deprivation and isolation. And yes, this move is also in line with Digital India vision of connecting various aspirational districts. Although Maharashtra is the first state to do so, Starlink is not the first company to be getting the GMPCS license by the government. Before Starlink, two other companies have also got the permission to provide satellite-based internet services in India. So which are these companies? What is the license all about? And how will this collaboration between Maharashtra and Starlink make a difference to the lives of people? Quite an important topic for UPSC GS paper 2, vulnerable communities, inclusion and internet access, infrastructural growth, as well as GS paper 3, science and technology. So what has happened is that Maharashtra now has become the first state in India to officially collaborate with US-based internet provider called Starlink. Okay, and both the parties, it is the state government of Maharashtra as well as Starlink, they have signed a letter of intent LOI. The idea is to now deploy satellite-based internet services throughout the state. And the collaboration is a big step indeed. What is the idea? The idea is to bridge the digital divide that is persisting in Maharashtra exclusively, that is felt more in certain regions, such as the region of Nandurbar, the region of Wasim and the Dharashiv and many such areas which do experience a certain lag when it comes to conventional network coverage. So now under this agreement, the state will work closely with Starlink to deliver reliable, stable, affordable, dependable internet connectivity across government institutions, across schools, panchayats, other rural organizations. All in all, key public infrastructure will be definitely modernized with this kind of initiative. And now looking at the partnership, what does it promise? This collaboration between the two also promises satellite-based broadband in areas where the conventional terrestrial or fiber optic networks cannot easily reach. The supply is not smooth. For some time for people, it is also unaffordable. To bridge that kind of financial and spatial gap, the whole collaboration is being created. Now the internet will be ensured to remote government offices and administrative centers in remote rural zones. Second thing is about schools, colleges, healthcare centers, panchayat, as well as tribal and remote communities will get the benefit, plus critical public infrastructure like disaster management units, organizations, various government security posts will also be able to have uninterrupted, stable internet supply. This will definitely revolutionize e-governance in India for sure. Now, what about Starlink's in general other operations in India? So now the company plans to create 9 gateways, 9 gateway earth stations in major cities such as Mumbai, Hyderabad, Noida, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Lucknow. The company has also applied for 600 Gbps, that is gigabits per second, capacity through its Gen 1 satellite constellation. That is another important point to remember. And once all the paperwork, all the formalities are over, Starlink will then start deploying various equipments, different infrastructural instruments, start training the local teams, employees, personnel, and much more focus on ground level operations to make this dream a reality. But I also mentioned that then Starlink is not the first company but the third company to be getting the GMPCS license. And what do we mean by that? So under the license, Starlink is now the third after OneWeb and Reliance Jio to be getting this permission or license, under which companies will be allowed to provide satellite-based internet services across India, even including the remote and isolated regions of India. So that's the reason Maharashtra has made news right now. A quick practice question here is that consider the following statements regarding recent Maharashtra Starlink collaboration. 1. Maharashtra has become the first state in India to partner with Starlink when it comes to providing satellite-based internet to remote, underserved areas. 2. Starlink has received the GMPCS license, that is Global Mobile Personal Communication license in India, and making it the first satellite communication company to receive the GMPCS approval. Is it the first one? And third, the satellite internet services in this collaboration will be a key component of Maharashtra's Digital Maharashtra mission, the aim of which is to strengthen digital connectivity at the local level, at the grassroots level. So which of these options do you think are valid? Which is the right answer? You can also let us know in the comment box. If you have any opinion that's non-political and UPSC relevant in this regard, do let us know. Because digital divide and lack of access to a stable internet is seen as a major cause of economic backwardness, educational backwardness in India across many states. So if you have any opinion, do keep us posted. And now a quick reminder about the sale. Yes, 18 November is a great milestone. We are beginning another batch. Okay, so 18 November, we are starting a fresh batch for those aspirants who are aspiring for UPSC 2027. Now, this package, I am calling it a UPSC capsule, because just like one effective tablet can take care of all your problems in terms of health, similarly, this is the UPSC supplement capsule. Why? Because at a price as easy as $29.99, you are getting for more than 1 year GS paper 1 to 4. That's the backbone of your UPSC exam. You get heavy discount on the optional of your choice. You get CSAT, answer writing, essay writing, plus mentorship, timetable making, study ideas, exciting scholarships. Yes, unbelievable. All that coming only at $29.99 for a batch that begins on 18th November. Because this is the fundamental of a successful UPSC performance. And our idea is that nobody should be left behind. Every aspirant should find the course accessible as well as affordable. So this easy price, but coming with a major UPSC capsule solution. And now if you are interested in this course, anybody you know who is aspiring for 2027 UPSC, do let them know about the code SPLIVE. SP Live. Once you use the code, immediately you will get this exciting offer and you can buy our course that is an affordable yet a 360-degree solution to your UPSC problems. Now, also remember that for those students who are writing the exam from northeast, southern states in India, we have an exclusive English batch for all of you. For those aspirants who prefer Hindi medium, yes, there is a dedicated Hindi batch. And then for those who enjoy bilingual studies, who like to keep it more informal as they discuss and talk to the mentors and teachers, we have the Hin English batch as well. Now, in case you have missed out on the 2026 sale, do not worry. If you are an aspirant who's really working hard but you have doubts regarding time limit, timetable, when to finish CSAT, how to start covering entire year of current events, then also you can still call us, contact us, or use the code to apply for 2026 sale as well. And similar goes for 2028. For those of you who will take the exam in 2028, well begun is half done at a price of just $34,999. That's extremely affordable. $34,999. You get all GS courses plus CSAT, answer, essay, timetable, guidance, counseling, scholarship, and huge discount on your choice of optional. So do use code SPLIVE and enjoy these great offers. Remember, the batch begins on 18th November 2025. Thank you.